Today, in this video we will talk about the YouTube video description. The video is more focused only on the description box and nothing else. By the end of this video, you will learn how to properly use the description box. So let's stop wasting time and get on the topic. The YouTube video description is the teaser of your video. It can make the viewer sit on the edge to watch the video. You know that SEO is all about using the right keywords in the right way. So, when you have picked the right keywords, you should also know how and where to place them to get the max SEO benefit for your video. The 5 keys for a captivating YouTube video description that you, me and everyone should follow are: 1. A short rundown about the video provides a huge opportunity to use all the related keywords. The YouTube video description box provides you with a huge space to perform the best possible SEO for the video, since available space is more than the space provided for tags or titles. You make a video based on a topic, and the subject will be the primary keyword for the video. Let's take an example. Say the video topic is about changing the back wheel of a bike. So for this example, the primary keyword will be change bike rear wheel. Now make sure you find more than 5 closely related keywords for the primary keyword change bike rear wheel. Then use these keywords all over the description. Likewise, try to use 2 to 3 keywords related to the channel. 2. Keep viewers on your channel. Keeping viewers on your channel and YouTube can help your channel a lot. In the description box after the first 100 to 200 words paragraph, place links to other videos from your channel that are related to the video. This helps the viewer who is reading the description to know that you have more related videos to this video, which can provide him with information. The links can be to a playlist also. With this, you are telling YouTube that these videos are related to this video, and keeping the viewers on your channel, which YouTube loves. 3. Use your social media profiles. Your online presence is not just limited to YouTube, but also on other popular social media sites. It can be Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. By including these links in the YouTube video description can make you a social media influencer. This helps you to extend the opportunity beyond YouTube. You get more followers to your other social media handles. 4. Provide your contact information. Providing your contact information like your business email and your mailing address can help your viewers to send you messages or emails. Sometimes they send a request for your service. The communication with the viewers can open doors to many opportunities. It's not only about communication with your viewers, but many online and offline business owners are looking for great videos with good engagement to promote their products or services. By providing contact information, you will never miss a business opportunity. The opportunity can be sponsorships, collaborations and many more. 5. Using more related keywords. Never try to stuff keywords, just to make sure that you are using all the available space. The keyword stuffing will do more harm than good, in the long run. You can use more keywords by providing value to the viewers. Since many viewers, while watching the video, will try to look at the description. And, if the viewer finds that the content is nothing but keywords, that makes no sense, then he is bound to click away from your video. Since YouTube video description space is big enough to have more than 500 words, you can write a small and compiling article about the video by including more related keywords. This provides a win-win solution to you and the viewer. The viewer is happy with the extra content, and you are happy with the extra traffic from YouTube. These are the 5 keys on how to write a better YouTube video description. This kind of description makes the viewers feel that the video is created by a professional. It is one of the factors to get more subscribers and ranking. Are you keen to get more engagement for your video from people who are interested in your video content? Then check the description below for an amazing offer.